Now on the screen here, it mentions that this secret phrase is the master key to your wallet. So you have to check all boxes that apply, basically confirming that you understand these things to be true. First of all, Trust Wallet does not keep a copy of your secret phrase. You can't reach out to them if you lose it. If it's gone, you will not be able to reaccess your wallet. The next line here says saving this digitally in plain text is not recommended. Examples include screenshots, text files, or emailing yourself. So you're going to want to record this on a piece of paper and then store that somewhere that is very safe. And you also might want to build in some redundancy here. And then at the bottom it says write down your secret phrase and store it in a secure offline location. So once we check all of those boxes, we're going to click on the continue button. Now at this point, the entire 12-word seed phrase is being revealed on screen. You do have the option to copy it to your clipboard, but based on what we just read, you're going to want to record this on a piece of paper and store it somewhere safely. So go ahead and take the time now to record this and write down the number as well, because the order is going to matter here in terms of the seed phrase. Now, once you have securely recorded this seed phrase offline, you're going to click on the green continue button at the bottom, and it's now going to confirm your secret phrase by making you choose 4 of the words, proving that you do in fact have the seed phrase stored somewhere. After clicking on the confirm button at the bottom, it's going to bring us to the next screen after it verifies that we have the correct seed phrase, and we have now successfully created a Trust Wallet.